So what we have to next do next now. First of all, I will run this project for you. So this is our calling function here. So what we have to do, first of all, here we call the environment conda info invs. So first of all, I will choose the path or virtual environment. So that is double dash. So after that, it show me the list of all environments, and I choose my environment which is created for this project, especially for this project, and run the whole code from there. And after that, we have store here some log file for today date, that is running all the logs, but I will choose my own, that is my env. So what we have to do, conda activate my env. After activating the conda, what we have to do, we run the python src. So where we have final project. In final project, where we go, we will first of all go our ml end to end. Now we run python src slash in our component plus what we do, data injection part, data injection part. And when we run, the whole path is running and our new log file here created. So the spelling error, the python python, that is. So here we, at that time we use the PowerShell, so we are now in cmd. So we conda now activate. Then what we have to do now, we python src, then component. After component, what we have to do, we data injection bar, then we run. After running, we create 16 today date of log file from here. You see, and refresh it. It take time because it's first of all train test, split, data transformation, data trainer, all. So the total log is 1 16 1645. That is not a 445 445. I run, it takes time, so I will pause the video and show you the result. Now our model is fully trained and the log is 16, and we see that log the object is saved successfully. That object is finally model.pl. So after that, what we have to do, we create a Django a flask file. So our model pickle is saved, and after that, what we have to do, we create two files. First app.py and second one is template. In template, we define index, that is a welcome.txt method. So we have again, so this in next video.